A domestic old car bought at 3,000 yuan a ton. A friend from Shanxi contacted me, said he found a very old classic car. At first glance, it is a Shanghai brand sedan from the 1980s. The interior is okay, nothing is missing. It's just a broken front windshield. It looks a little miserable. The car door is about to fall off. However, the price is very cheap. 4,500 bucks, take it down, load it up, take him home. I used 1,800 yuan shipping fee to ship it home from Shanxi seatbelt. I have a particularly bad problem. Just love to take advantage. Love takes advantage. Always want to pick up leaks. I didn't expect it to leak in again. Blame me for not looking closely at the engine. The engine has been soaked in water. Every detail is covered with rust. It's really careless to kill people. No way, the car is already home. Whatever you have. What is my slogan? You can earn it. Look at this fan. It's almost rusting. It's gone. Start it up. Push him into the repair shop. Give him the engine, take it off, and fix it. The screws are rusted to death. Let's heat it up in the oven. This can be better disassembled. Hood down. I have to shout my gosh 1,000,000 times to fix this car. Many of the screws are rusted to death. You can only disassemble it little by little. The engine finally came down. The engine of this car? I never had it repaired. You can only disassemble it little by little. Look, there's a lot of rust in here. Look at the fossil. The screws are all rusted to death. The screws on the bottom base rusted into iron bumps. Just want to take it down. Really think of a way. Oh, what a sad person. Hey, it moved. Hey. It's open, haha. After my dad saw the video I sent, he said he really liked the car too, because a relative had the same model when he was a child. So I made a bold move, decided to fix this car and give it to my dad. Well, you guessed it right. I really hit the jackpot. This valve has been flooded. Finally, I had a big surprise. The camshaft is especially new. It means the engine hasn't been used much. Let's hurry up and remove the cylinder head from it. See what's going on inside. Unfortunately, I got it right. This just came in from the inside. There is no way but to bite the bullet and fix it. Oh my god, this time it's the special prize. It's all rust. This is drivable. What's wrong? Look, it's all rust and dirt. Clean all the accessories of the cylinder head valve. The valve is not tightly closed. Restart the valve on him. Disassemble the fire for him. Clean all the old rust inside. Look at this fire sole is stuck. A happy thing this week. No problem, save me a few $100. Clean all the accessories. Prepare for subsequent assembly. Clean and polish the cylinder block. I really can't paint. I can only drive the ducts to the shelves. Please forgive me. This engine, I really haven't disassembled it, and there's just a really stupid way of putting it all together. Because I'm really afraid of accidentally forgetting where he took it apart from. I know this method is really stupid, but he's really practical. I'm really liking myself more and more. Look at the beautiful steel brush. Like hyped up, special spirit, busy from morning to evening. Busy from day to night. After the engine is done, remove all the exterior parts from it. Before buying a car, look at the tendons on this car are very bad. I thought to myself, it will be okay to come back and get the tendons well. I didn't expect the engine to be soaked in water. There is no way. It took 5 or 6 days to get the engine right. After pulling the engine, come back and look at the tendons again. Oh my God, I'm really speechless. When I bought a car, I didn't think the board tendons were so bad. Pull it back and take a closer look. It's bad here, it's bad there. Another big project. If you like it, don't say anything. Hurry up and do him. Remove the front bridge for him and repair it for him. I feel like I'm full of energy every day. A day passed in the blink of an eye. Every day from morning to night, I'll fix this one for 3,000 bucks a ton. It cost a total of 4,500 yuan to pick up the leaked domestic classic car. Witness. Wasted. Remove all the parts from it. Take it to sand. Clean up all the old rust on it. Money is not wasted. Look how clean it is. I'm going to interrupt, and I can't leave my little vulture assistant idle. Let him polish all the rust inside the chassis. Look at the beauty. Then spray him with epoxy base. It was all done in a while. I'm so sorry. Please forgive me. This is really the first time I have removed the trump card of a car. It has to be arranged in such a stupid way. I am afraid that I will accidentally put it wrong and then fail to put it back. Paint all the parts. Reinstall it for him. It was amazing. Be extra careful when installing the engine. Because if you don't pay attention, it is easy to break the engine for him. After the engine is installed, put all 4-door coconut boards in place for him. Sheet metal repair. Repair the old car. The worst part was the tendons. Time-consuming, labor-intensive, particularly troublesome. All the details that are smashed must be dug up. Solder it back together. The whole cardboard towel took 15 days to trim it. After spraying the restoring primer, trim all the details for it. Now this is the exciting part. Start painting. I spent tonight in the off-plan room. It's really nice to watch him transform little by little. While jetting, repair and sort out all the vision strip lamps on the body. Clean the old soil on the surface. Replace all the light bulbs with it. Okay, the lights for the whole car are sorted out. I feel the effect is still very good. Going to Shanghai, I'm also home. Let's put the front and rear windshields in place first. These lights are all fixed. Let's take a look at this headlight. This electroplating ring, I rematched him with an old light and I replaced him with a new one. The overall effect is very good. Okay, let's start hitting him. Put this body note on it. I'm sure a lot of people will ask me why I painted this car red. Because I want my old hair to be as young and beautiful as this color forever. Always so vibrant. Let's hurry up and install him. Install all exterior volumes in place. Give him a warmer song. Let's close the lid on the chicken soup. See how it works. The overall effect is not bad, that's it. Left turn signal. Right turn signal. Headlights. Fog lamp. Turn on the new lights. Install all the components of the steering wheel. Okay. No problem, let's just close the door. Let's speed up and install all the interior parts in place. Dad, I have a surprise for you. Old. Okay, this color is oops. Red dots are okay. Look, my dad's happy eyes are narrowed. Haha, let's go. Let's go out and call. Let's go, son. Go for a walk. Which way to go? Turn left. Forget him. I'm going to my neighbor's house tomorrow. Borrow some more money? The baby cried all day. It's been a long time since I took a photo with my dad. I can feel that he is very happy today. This is what the Shanghai car looked like when it first arrived. It took me 2 months to restore it to its current state. The back of the trunk is seriously deformed. I trimmed and welded it again. Restore this tattered interior. Restore him to his current state. I especially like to enjoy the process of repairing the old car, especially repairing an old domestic car. Fill me with passion. It was full of energy. Finally, I wish the motherland prosperity. I wish all fathers in the world a long and healthy life. I wish my dad good health, can stay by my side forever,